Anyone can effortlessly master advanced grinding. Addressing labor shortages and the challenge of passing on advanced techniques, we achieve high-precision grinding with easy, user-friendly operation. Achieve advanced grinding with simple, intuitive operation. High accuracy with short processing times and minimal labor investment. Process integration of cylindrical, taper grinding. G1 and G3 series grinders inherit the user-friendly, easy operation made popular with previous models. Optimal grinding conditions are automatically determined by inputting rigidity, grinding method, finished diameter, stock removal, and indexing position. These features vastly enhance the efficiency of single workpiece grinding. Anyone can effortlessly master advanced grinding. Handle functionality is available to the operator, even during automatic processes. For example, by feeding the wheel head with the handle, operators can establish contact between the grinding wheel and the workpiece in a shorter time. Manual grinding is also possible by utilizing the handle, which benefits skilled operators that may wish to leverage visual cues, such as observing sparks. Additional grinding function is provided to ensure that even the first workpieces are finished without defects. By grinding the workpiece to an oversized state in advance, it is possible to avoid overgrinding. For additional grinding, the position from the previous process is rapidly recovered. Only the additional portion is ground, thus reducing dry feed time. During the automatic cycle of traverse grinding, the table can be changed from right advance to left advance by operating the lever. This reduces the dry feed time until contact with the workpiece, with concentrated grinding of remaining stock. As a global leader in steering systems, we offer a range of steer-by-wire handles infused with cutting-edge technology. The tangible connection between the grinding wheel and workpiece can be felt by the operator, as one would expect from a manual machine. JTEKT's hybrid-type stat bearing, which combines hydrostatic and dynamic pressure, is used for the wheel spindle, which is the heart of the grinder. This system maintains high rotational accuracy and high damping performance. The stat bearing meets the demand for stable, high-precision grinding over extended durations. Kisage, or hand scraping, is applied to all machine sliding surfaces to improve straightness and stabilize machine accuracy. By setting oil pockets, the initial sliding performance can be maintained for a long period of time. Thus, in addition to stabilizing quality and improving grinding accuracy over the long term, it also improves operability when the footstock is moved. JTEKT's thermal management system ensures consistent dimensional accuracy from a cold start, minimizing dimensional fluctuations to ±1.5 micrometers. Automatic table swivel function enables continuous grinding of cylindrical, taper parts with a single chuck. This greatly reduces setup and changeover time.